Coco, do you know what today is?
Boxy day.
It's not Boxy Charm, it's actually Ipsy Day.
Ipsy day.
Ipsy Day. Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon, that's Coco. Click that subscribe button, please. And if you're not new, thanks for coming back. Okay, y'all, it is Ipsy Day, and let me tell y'all, I've actually had this for a while. I'm struggling with life, honestly. Okay, let me just, let me be honest, I'm struggling with life, okay? If you keep up with us on Instagram, you know I have been decluttering life. Literally everything. That closet over there, that's next, because it's a horrific mess. Anyway, let's get into this Ipsy bag. Let me tell you, it is pretty much a skincare bag. Comes in, y'all, is this not Clueless vibes, or is that just me? This gives me such, whoa, gives me such Clueless vibes. Cute little bag, feels pretty cheap. $50, damn. The first thing we have here is actually $50. It's a full-size product, clean beauty from Canologic. I've never heard of this. Facial hydration oil. 50 bucks for this thing. I mean, it must be great, but honestly, it kind of is giving me TJ Maxx vibes. Is this glass or like a heavy duty plastic? I don't know. I think it's glass. Let's smell it. I'm not mad at getting an oil. Not overly happy about everything in here pretty much being skincare, but I'm not mad at getting an oil because, ew, that's stank. You want to smell it, Coco?
Ew.
Ew. She said ew. That's stank. Y'all, this is rank. Okay, I was gonna say I'm happy about getting an oil because I started using that gua sha, okay, it's not, I don't, whatever the hell that rose quartz stone is, I've started using it. I'm seeing some major differences, y'all. So I was happy to get an oil, but this smells so bad that, I mean, maybe it is amazing and that's why it smells bad. Let me see in the description if it mentions why it smells like shit. Like, made with anti-inflammatory plant oils like hemp seed oil, sunflower seed, blah blah blah. A few drops will help soothe redness, irritation, discomfort. Oh, morning or night. I may try it and just use it at night when it doesn't matter if my face smells like whatever that smell is. You don't want to go out in public and smell like this, so maybe I'll try it at night. I don't know about that one. I don't know. Okay, then we have, what is the next thing? Is it this? Yeah. Upcircle face scrub made with repurposed coffee grounds. What the what? What does repurposed coffee grounds mean? This is full size, $16. It says this all natural face scrub uses coffee grounds to gently buff away dry dead skin cells, plus nourishing rosehip and jojoba oils help moisturize. Where did they get the coffee grounds from? Where did they get this? Where?
Lady.
They got it from a lady?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I hope they didn't just go to some lady and be like, hey, can I get your coffee grounds from your trash can? It's one of those metal tubes, which makes me feel like it's fancy, you know? Like, oh, this is metal. Oh, and it has a poker thing. You know what? My husband, he thinks he's the smartest man in the world. He was like, did you know? You just, and it opens. I was like, yes, I did. I thought everybody knew that. Okay. Does this smell like ass too? Oh, it smells like coffee, I think. Oh! Oh! It squirted out! It squirted out everywhere! Let's use the Ipsy bag to... Luckily it wasn't a ew. It's like... Oh, crap. This is gonna like stain my white desk. Dang, oh, shit. That happened. That happened, people. Yeah.
Mama did paint.
Oh, ew. I don't.
Let me see it.
Can you see that? Ew! It smells like stank coffee. Oh, that smells pretty. That smells bad, y'all. Whoa. Yikes, we're gonna have to throw this bag away. I don't even want to rub it on my skin. That smells really
bad.
I love the smell of coffee. That smells horrible. Okay, let's just move on, y'all. The next thing we have is Rapid Relief Acne Spot Treatment from Murat. I picked this one because we've gotten this in Ipsy or BoxyCharm before, and I actually genuinely liked it. So I was like, okay, yeah, I'll take this. $23, full size. On the occasion I get a little bump or something, I will use this. But I have also newly found acne patches. Well, I have recently learned of acne patches and have become obsessed with them too. So this is a good option, and I do like the, anyway, I'm babbling. I like this one. If you can find this one, you know, I would recommend it. I like that. Also, you see we changed it up. We changed it up back there. I did a video on it. Y'all check that out. I was, your girl was struggling, okay? I was like sweating. I was dying. Shit was falling. It was rough. It literally took me like 3 days to do that, and it still isn't really what I want it to be. Because we're not moving. I mentioned that in the rearranging video or whatever it was. I mentioned we're not moving. We're not moving, y'all. We're here until July, and then who knows where we're going. So there's that. Anyway, let's go to the next thing. It's a lip gloss. I'm not very keen on lip glosses, just because a lot of them feel really sticky to me. So there's only certain ones that I like. This is Clean Beauty from Nabla. Is Nabla sold at Morphe? Hold on. That's this brand, right? I got this Nabla Skin Glazing and Lola. I got this at the Morphe store, and I feel like it wasn't cheap. I feel like that blush was not a cheap blush. No. Anyway, this is $15 full size. This shimmery champagne glass is so damn shiny. So damn shiny. That's what they say. I'm probably gonna, let's just hold that for a giveaway or something. I would give it to the girls, but then they will end up fighting over it since there's only one, so we won't do that. And then we have, oh, I think this was an add-on that I added on, because it's an add-on. Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment from Sunday Riley. It's just like a little mini. I think this was like $3, and I was like, oh, I kind of want to try this. It deeply exfoliates the dull surface of the skin, blah, 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 radiance, younger looking skin. So, I mean, this is so tiny, but it does allow me the option to just try it out and see if I was willing to buy the bigger version. Oh, also, contacts. Y'all, look at these contacts. Don't they look good, Coco?
Yeah.
Yeah, love them. So these are not my normal blue ones, because when I went to put them on the other day, somebody took them out and the case was completely empty. So we're wearing these, but we have some new ones coming in. They are from Just for Kira. We do have a code for 20% off. It's just TWINSTIMESTWO. I will link it all below. Anyway, let's keep going, y'all. Sweet Chef Turmeric plus Vitamin C Boosting Eye Cream. Hold on, wait a second. Wait right there, wait.
Oh, Mama.
No, I told you to wait. What are you doing? Okay, I had to run into my bathroom and in the little fridge, beauty fridge, because I'm like, why does this packaging look so familiar? So I got this at Morphe. This is the Ginger plus Vitamin C Brightening Bright Spot Tonic. I am obsessed with this. So yes, I picked this and I was like, okay. Clearly you picked most of the stuff for BoxyCharm, right? So obviously I made this a skincare box, but that only means that the choices were probably pretty limited. Okay, so when I was at Morphe, the guy who was helping me pick the foundation, he used this to like clear my face so my face wasn't oily, so he could try 2 different foundations. So him and I are talking and I'm like, okay, he's telling me about this, so I bought this. He was telling me about a turmeric, some kind of turmeric thing that they had, but it was sold out and it sounded amazing. I don't think it was this, because I don't think we were talking about eye creams, but, uh-oh, you lost it all? You used it?
Yeah, I lost it.
Yeah, you lost it?
Yeah.
So I don't think it was this, but it was a turmeric something that they had or sell at Morphe. I am excited to try this.
Tried it?
Yeah. Oh, wow. No smell. Thank you. So glad so glad this one does not have a smell, because no smell. The last ones have not been good. Let's see.
They're good?
No, the last ones were not good. Feels very, like, a little bit goes a long freaking way, clearly, especially if it's just for under your eyes. It feels really smooth. Okay, let's sum it up here. I am happy about this. I'm excited to try this. This, I'm happy because I know this is a product that I will use. These both smell very bad in a very bad way, and they're not good smelling at all. This obviously I bought, so yay, cool. And then the lip gloss, whatever, I'll take it. Oh, lipstick of the day. Let me tell ya. It is the Pat McGrath Divine Romance. It's a matte shade. There's a number, 451 here. So pretty. Look at that, gorgeous. She's pretty. Anyway, that's the lipstick of the day, but I'll link everything below for you. Anyway, that's all of it. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things. Bye! Good job, Coco. High five. Yeah. You're my favorite, Coco? Yeah.